What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. I have a ride and review for you today. I'm going to a little Italian spot called FIASCETTERIA Pistoia. It's a mouthful. Hopefully it'll be a bellyful. It's the name of the place means wine shop. Pistoia wine shop. Pistoia is a town outside of Tuscany, or in Tuscany rather. And I don't know, I keep seeing it pop up like when I look for Italian spots down here in the Lower East Side and Alphabet City, and it looks really good. My wife has wanted to go for a while now, so we're finally giving it a shot. I'm going to meet her there. It's a small place. I know it's got a lot of good wine selections, a lot of good pasta selections as well, and some specials. It's on 11th Street, right near Avenue C, so it's going to be a quick ride there. All right, so I'm taking the scenic route up. I am on First Ave, and I'm going to take a right at, I guess, 10th Street. I guess I could go to 12th just to get my way over to C. I went in a little bit. I figured I would extend this review a bit. Otherwise it'd be too short. It's starting to get cold. It's starting to get cold out. I got a hoodie on. I got my Chimera hoodie on and shorts on my legs, and it's a little bit chilly, man. I wish I had jeans on, and just like instantly turned from summer to fall within the course of a few days. Crazy, this weather. Guy going across 3 lanes of traffic. Okay, 10th Street. Take this turn. So we are coming up on Avenue C. I'm gonna take a left. So I gotta go up 1 street. And then back on 11th. Left back on 11th. And here we are. FIASCETTERIA Pistoia. Let me just lock it up right here. See you guys on the inside. The real test is whether this is going to be as good as your focaccia. Cheers, baby.
I like how this is.
That's good, thank you. Ooh, that's really nice. You ready to jiggle it? Cheers.
white wine. Hello guys. It's very good.
Wow. So, all right. FIASCETTERIA Pistoia. We started with Tonno del Chianti. I've talked about this before on this channel. It's pork, but it's made to taste like tuna fish. I don't know why it's a thing. It's a thing in Tuscany, maybe because they can't get a lot of fish and they have tons of wild boar. But just awesome, incredible here. That's probably one of the better ones that I've had. We also had, oh, what's going on here? Big ass line. We also had guancia, which is like, if you're familiar with guanciale, it's pork cheek. It's the jowls. And the jowls are super tasty, especially when you cure it and slice it paper thin the way they did and serve it, you know, like a plate of prosciutto or something. Very good. And then we moved on to pastas. We had a sausage tagliatelle, and then we had a duck pappardelle, which was incredible. Both really, really nicely made. All homemade, in-house, handmade stuff. Delicious. Great wine selection. We tried a couple of wines too. And then for dessert, we had, which I think is the best panna cotta I've ever had. So creamy, perfect texture, delicious. Man, if you go here, you gotta get that. It's so good. So as usual, you know, jump out to the website, johnnyprimesteaks.com. On there, you'll see the full review with all the photos, all the details, everything. And like always, you know, tell your friends, tell your family, and tell your fucking grandma.